So the other day I made a video about the Ulanzi Cooling Fan and saying that is an amazing fan if you have a camera that overheats like mine, like the ZV-E1 that I'm using right now. And I posted and a lot of people are saying that the fan is falling off the camera normally after 10 minutes. And fortunately, I don't have that problem yet, but I think the problem is about the small suction cups, and if you have any dust on the suction cups, the air goes in and the fan comes out. So I designed this part in Fusion 360 that you can print, and it's very easy to print. It took me less than 5 minutes. So I use 0.16 of a millimeter layer height, and I printed in my Ender 3 and it works fine. As you can see, it's installed like in this picture, and it's on my camera for 2 days now, and I think it will never come out again because it's stuck. As you can see in the picture, is put between the fan and the top part of the camera, and we will press. So you don't need the suction cups anymore with this part. And if you don't have a 3D printer, you can easily ask for someone to print it, because it will be very, very inexpensive, because this part is very small. And I will leave a link to the part where you can download it from Thingiverse. It's already there. So I hope this information was helpful, and I hope this will help you to keep the fun in your camera. So if you like this, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I'll launch a video. Until then, bye!